everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to test the traction control. We have 5 settings. Let me show you. Traction control off. This is what we're going to do first. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5 are the wet settings. 1, 2 and 3 are the dry settings. I just want to know if it goes sideways up to which setting. And I think it's up to only 1. In 2 it won't let you go sideways, but we're gonna have a try just because we can. So traction control completely off. This is the benchmark. Let's see if it goes sideways. So traction control mode 1. Let's see what it does. Oh, that was a bit surprising. It was on 1 and it let me go sideways quite a bit, but it's of course due to the steering action I did. It went sideways, and when I wanted to push it into a power slide, it cut the ignition and it straightened it up. So it did the job, but I was a bit surprised by how much I was able to slide it. So now we're going to put it in 2 and let's see what happens. So traction control mode 2. Let's see if it lets me slide. Liked the video. I know I like making it. It was a lot of fun. I liked going sideways with this car. The results were a little bit surprising to me. I didn't expect it to go sideways that much with the traction control on 1, but on 2 is completely killed everything looking like going sideways. So no need to try position 3 or 4 or 5. It will kill everything with slipping wheels. So I hope you liked the video. If you do, subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.